आज से करीब 1 साल पहले मेरे 12th बोर्ड्स खत्म हुए एंड मेरा मिशन ड्रोन शुरू। 9 जून 2022। हमेशा की तरह मैं सोने से पहले ना एक बार अपना ड्रोन उड़ा रहा था कि तभी ना मेरे को एक स्पार्क की आवाज आई, पर इससे पहले कि मैं कुछ समझ पाता ना, माय ड्रोन जस्ट ड्रॉप डाउन एंड माय ESC वाज ऑन फायर। Then I just sat there and was thinking like, now what to do, man? As I was literally tired asking for money from my parents regarding my drone hobby. Then I went on a long break in order to figure out that how can I sustain this hobby on my own way. 21st April 2023. This was the day when I received a mail from Google and its title was check your recent payment. After reading the title I was like, damn man, that's exactly what I was waiting for since an year. And below the title it's written that we sent a payment for your AdSense for YouTube on 21st April 2023. You know, the moment when I was reading that mail had become one of the happiest moments of my life. Then the next day I just took my ATM card, ran towards ATM and withdrew my payment. And soon after I called upon some of my friends to have a treat, as without their help seeing this day is not possible. Now as I have my own money, so let's spend it hard. So I just took my laptop, opened Amazon and ordered every single thing that I was dreaming of. Kidding. Many people think like the same, that once one start earning from YouTube then that person becomes Ambani ka beta. But it's not like that.
Reality.
Now as I want to revive my quad, so firstly I am gonna order my old ESC worth rupees 1000, and with that for upgradation I'll order a new FPV flight controller worth rupees 7000. Yeah, come on, let's order it first. Done. Our order is being placed. Now after ordering these two items, my bank balance again becomes 1 by infinity. You better understand what I just said. I think my order has arrived. Come on, let's check it out. ये रे भाई अपने पार्सल। So that's our old ESC 35 ampere की। और ये अपना FPV का F405 V3 stack. Now as all the required stuff is with me, so let's start building my quad.